Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet and get the latest trending product by hitting the notification bell. Today I will be sharing the top 16 best sellers Amazon's beauty products. I will showcase at a really fast-paced, a must-have this year 2022, 16 beauty products in the beauty category. These beauty items sell by the minute at a lower price, so if you are looking to buy some of them in this category, click the links in the description. For each product you will have the current rate and number of reviews plus the actual price as we speak, and a complete listed links on both UK and US Amazon's online stores. The following are ranked from 1 to 8. Number 1. Olaplex Hair Perfector No. 3 Repairing Treatment, 100ml. It is rated 4.6 out of 5 stars with a total review of 209,187. And it is priced from £15.50 to £41.41. Number 2. Garnier Nutris Permanent Hair Dye, Natural Looking, Hair Color Result, for all hair types, 1 black. It is rated 4.5 out of 5 stars with a total review of 36,555. And it is priced from £4.49 to £17.49. Number 3. Dots for Spots Acne Patches, pack of 24 translucent hydrocolloid pimple patch spot treatment stickers for face and body, fast-acting, vegan, and cruelty-free skincare. It is rated 4.4 out of 5 stars with a total review of 28,224. And it is priced from £6.99 to £13.99. Number 4. Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Eye Concealer, Dark Circles and Blemish Concealer, Ultra Blendable Formula, 00 Ivory. It is rated 4.5 out of 5 stars with a total review of 48,739. And it is priced from £5.03 to £16.07. Number 5. Neutrogena T-Gel Therapeutic Shampoo Treatment for Scalp Psoriasis, Itching Scalp and Dandruff 125ml. It is rated 4.6 out of 5 stars with a total review of 23,907. And it is priced from £4.99 to £20.99. Number 6. Maybelline New York Volume Mascara, Lash Sensational, Color, Very Black, 9.4ml. It is rated 4.5 out of 5 stars with a total review of 48,765. And it is priced from £4.36 to £19.96. Number 7. Iliad Eyebrow Dye Kit, Black, packaging may vary. It is rated 4.5 out of 5 stars with a total review of 6,433. And it is priced from £5.40 to £17.89. Number 8. Garnier Olia Permanent Hair Dye, up to 100% grey hair coverage, no ammonia, 60% oils, Midnight 1.0 Deep Black. It is rated 4.5 out of 5 stars with a total review of 26,023. And it is priced from £5.75 to £15. The following are ranked from 9 to 16. Number 9. Nizoral Anti-Dandruff Shampoo, treats and prevents dandruff, suitable for dry, flaky and itchy scalp, contains ketoconazole 60ml. It is rated 4.6 out of 5 stars with a total review of 23,084. 8 offers from £8.05. Number 10. Clairol Nice and Easy Creme, Natural Looking Oil Infused Permanent Hair Dye, 1 Blackest Black. It is rated 4.6 out of 5 stars with a total review of 18,312. And it costs from £4.99 to £13.99. Number 11. CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser for normal to dry skin, 1 litre with hyaluronic acid and 3 essential ceramides. It is rated 4.7 out of 5 stars with a total review of 1,083. And it costs from £7.13 to £27.61. Number 12. Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion with Naturally Active Colloidal Oatmeal, 200ml, pack of 1. It is rated 4.7 out of 5 stars with a total review of 13,664. And it costs from £3.75 to £13.89. Number 13. Bedhead by Tiger Recovery Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner Set for Dry Damaged Hair, 2x750ml. It is rated 4.7 out of 5 stars with a total review of 13,620. And it costs £10.71. Number 14. Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder, 14g. It is rated 4.6 out of 5 stars with a total review of 33,945. And it costs from £2.98 to £8.08. Number 15. Altruist Dermatologist Sunscreen SPF 30, Superior 5-Star UVA Protection by Dr. Andrew Birnai, suitable for sensitive skin, 1 litre. It is rated 4.5 out of 5 stars with a total review of 11,367. And it costs from £7.99 to £37.60. Number 16. Scholl Fungal Nail Treatment, 3.8 ml. It is rated 4.3 out of 5 stars with a total review of 19,049. And it costs £9.99. You can access all these products by clicking the corresponding links in the description below. Thank you for watching, and remember, Amazon's products ranking changes every hour or two due to rapid sales. To view in-depth review for each product, do visit the playlist of the product in the same category. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest trending products information and offers.